Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Women. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. If you want a hairstyle that is easy to care for, looks stylish and saves time every day, then this video is for you. As we grow older, our hair can become thinner, drier or change in texture. The good news is that the right haircut can make your hair look fuller, healthier and more youthful without needing a lot of styling. One of the best choices is the classic pixie cut. A pixie cut is short, light and very easy to manage. It dries quickly and only takes a few minutes to style. You can wear it smooth for a neat look or add a little texture for a modern style. Another popular haircut is the bob. A chin-length bob is elegant and never goes out of fashion. It works well with straight, wavy or slightly curly hair. A bob frames the face beautifully and is easy to wash, dry and style. A layered bob is another excellent option. Layers add movement and volume, making thin hair look thicker. This haircut also gives a soft and fresh appearance that suits many face shapes. The long bob, also called a lob, is perfect if you like a little more length. It sits around the shoulders and can be worn straight, wavy or with natural texture. It is easy to style and looks beautiful for both everyday life and special occasions. If you have naturally wavy hair, a shoulder length layered cut is a great choice. The layers help control the waves while giving the hair a soft and natural look. A little leave-in conditioner or styling cream is often enough to keep it looking nice. Adding soft side bangs or cotton bangs can also refresh your look. They frame the face gently and blend well with many hairstyles. They are easy to style and can make your hairstyle look more modern. Grey and silver. To keep your haircut looking its best, trim your hair every 6 to 8 weeks. Regular trims help prevent split ends and keep your hairstyle neat and fresh. You do not need to spend hours styling your hair every morning. A simple haircut, a quick brush, and a lightweight styling product are often enough to create a polished look. The most important thing is to choose a hairstyle that matches your lifestyle, hair type, and personal style. A low maintenance haircut should make you feel comfortable, confident, and beautiful every day. Remember, beauty has no age. A fresh haircut can boost your confidence and help you enjoy your natural beauty. Choose a style that makes you smile whenever you look in the mirror. Thank you so much for watching. We hope these low maintenance haircuts ideas for women over 50 have inspired you. See you again.